You can see how far it's spread, almost to the belly button, over to his side. But these little areas, this right here, I think was just a mole that turned like that after the apple cider vinegar was put on it. LP, he just took his temperature again, and he took it on one ear. It was 99 point what?
8.
99.8, and the other was
101.
Yeah. So he feels pretty rotten. You feel pretty rotten, LP.
I know I look good, but I mean, I still feel rotten.
He's still running a fever. And what was your fever?
101.6.
101.6. Having a fever this long, it's been over a week. All this started on Friday. So it's been a week and a couple days. And I'm not doing anything. I haven't put anything on it. I'm just leaving it be. The only thing LP did was he did put some frozen veggies on it. So that was it. And LP's temperature's around 99. It broke again last night. He was sopping wet with sweat. And it's getting a lot lighter, the color of the redness is just spreading out pretty well to the belly button, but it's so faint now that you can hardly tell the big circle that goes all the way over. And all the way over to about here. What I just did with LP, I mixed some soda, and it's like 3 parts soda approximately to 1 part water, and just stirred it up, made a paste, put it over the area, over the whole area that is still inflamed. So it's a pretty large area. It goes all the way to his belly button and all the way to his side. And I started a regime of vitamin C yesterday. So he had, I gave it to him in three different times. It's a powdered vitamin C, and it was 4,500 milligrams each time. So he had a good bit of vitamin C yesterday. Plus he ate a lot of fruit. So it broke again last night. And he had to change his shirt during the night. It was sopping wet. And now his fever is down. He's it's like 98 point something. And he's just taking it again.
97.3.
Oh, so it's really dropped down now. It's 97.3. So he, you know, the worst may be over now. I'm hoping that... and he slept and slept yesterday. He had 3 naps, I believe. Long, some of them was like a couple hours.
97.8.
Yeah, the other ear was 97.8. So he said he's feeling a little bit better. And he really looked bad yesterday. But I'm going to keep...
It's hard to believe I could look bad.
Alrighty, LP. Yeah, I'm just so grateful that he's doing better. Looking better and better. I'm going to use the soda water paste, 3 parts soda to 1 part water, again on this. Last night LP had to change his shirt 3 times. He was sopping wet from sweating, and his temperature keeps going up and down and up and down. And right now it's down to normal, but it's very unpredictable. It's looking a lot better. I'm going to use the baking soda and water paste on it again. It's up here and over, but I don't think you can really much tell because it's really faded. So I'm going to continue with the vitamin C. I've upped it I'll have to put in the notes just how much that he's taken. He's taken over 20,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Today's April the 26th, and I doubt that you can see that well of where all it has spread out, but it has gotten lighter and lighter. And so there's still an area there. LP is doing better. He still was sopping wet last night with sweat, had to change his shirt again, but his temperature's down to normal this morning. Things aren't going too well. LP's temperature's 100.7, and his face is red now, and this area that was looking good is now getting more red again, and it's red. I just got done putting soda. It's already past the belly button. Still got the soda on his stomach. I didn't get it all wiped off, but it's gone over to the other side of the belly button, and it appears that he's got some up here in his upper chest, but I'll know more once this all is washed off. But it looked red up in there. That it could just be that's not part of this. But he has pain in the top of his head. He's been having that now for days. So this has really been unbelievable, and it's spread on back into here. So it's spread more, but it's lighter than it was, but it's spread more. Today is April the 29th, and LP said that this area is really itching. The redness, I used the soda paste on it, soda and water, 3-part soda to 1 part water, and the redness, it was all the way over here, is a lot better. And so I'm going to use apple cider vinegar, soak a cotton ball with apple cider vinegar and put a Band-Aid over that because it's really itching. So LP's temperature's back down to normal again. So it's been up and down, up and down. Well, guys, this is April the 29th, and boy, I tell you, this has really been something. It got real red all across here again, but now it's fading again. And then now he's got red splotches all over, and I'm wondering if it's I'm giving him very high doses of vitamin C, so I'm going to have to stop that. I don't know whether that is bringing on, and his face is really, really red, and he's still got a fever. It's been up and down today, so it's really been a battle. And LP has got a lot of red marks on him, and he still has this area right here where the bite was, and it's still pinkish up in through here, but better than it was. But the strange thing about it is, to turn around once, his back, he's got like a red ring here. I don't know whether this is going to show up at all. And there's another one right here. But they're lighter color today than they were yesterday. And LP started the cat's claw today, and he's taken it 3 times so far, and he's going to take it one more time later on this evening. And here is where the bite was, and it's still pink. This area here has lightened up a lot. It's just barely a slight pink. So he ran a fever today of 100.8, and it's looking much better. There's still redness there up above the rib cage there, but it's looking a lot better, and he's taken the cat's claw. He got along a lot better today. He's still running a fever of 99.6, 99.3.